What's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab. You know where we at? We here at the Body Man, about to come pick up this Avenger, and then we're gonna take it to the body shop. I mean, not to the body shop, to Macco. What's up? Come on, man. We gotta. It's all taken care of. It come out good. The Avenger.
Avenger?
Where'd it go? Oh man, lost my car, man. Car is gone. How much to fix this?
Same hood?
I'll probably get a different hood. Need a radiator support or just pull it?
No,
Need a radiator support?
yeah, it's break.
It's broke. A lot.
100?
$100? Well, I got about a radiator support in the new hood. Okay, we can do that. So where's the Avenger at? Huh? Oh, it's right here. New fender, good. I don't know. I guess it'll do. It'll do. Looks good to me. You think they can just paint over that one? That ain't go. That won't be too big of a problem. They can just paint over that.
You
Hopefully.
not send make us this car?
Maybe. What color you think I should paint it? Think I should paint it back black
Black.
or red? I like a metallic red. Metallic red?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll probably go metallic red. Let's take it let's take it there and see what they can do for us. I'll show you what kind of work they do. Okay? I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Yeah, we'll go red since the interior. I don't know. Yeah, we'll go red. So y'all see we riding. The seat's a little messed up. Seat's a little messed up, but we're gonna take this. We gotta take this thing to Macco, get it painted up, and then we're gonna go with that red metallic. The highway? Work. All right, I'll follow you. I said I'll follow you. Get it? Yeah, we're gonna go with the red metallic. We want like a red metallic. Yeah, we're gonna go red. Red gonna pop. It's gonna pop. Let's get it. So y'all see it? Where we at? Y'all see what it looks like now? You know, silver door. Other rim was in the front, wasn't it? Key in the bed. What's going on with it? I guess the battery's no good. So I can't even get in the trunk. I know the extra rim was in there, so y'all see it. W4, you know, got the fender, fresh fender on there. Little door, but the paint, you ain't gonna really be able to tell on that once it's painted. you know, faded up. But y'all see a red door fender. See, look, that crispy $40 fender put on there. It's good. Yeah. Y'all see it. What you think? What color should I go with?
Red gonna sell it.
What you think, like a red metallic?
People like red. Or you can go back black and be cheaper.
How's it gonna be cheaper? It's gonna be the same price, ain't it?
I mean,
I ain't worried about the door jams.
oh shit, if you ain't worried about the door jams, then it's the same price.
Yeah, I ain't worried about the door jams. I can get some red paint and just spray the door
I
jams.
mean, that's all I did was go grab like $5 and boom, 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 and you ain't never notice.
Yeah, you ain't gonna never know what you think, like a red, like that red.
Yeah, I don't know what it is about the
Red car?
I'll pop in red, but it sells quicker.
Probably that.
I mean, because if you want to be realistic, because you can go look it up. It's one of the top sellers, red.
Yeah, red metallic. I might go red metallic since it's the same price. Look at that, somebody over here getting their Firebird done, man. Making me feel bad. Firebird, T-topped. Same hood that I got. Let's go inside and talk to the men. Look at that, they got the box Carolina Panther Chevy. He probably already took his rims off of there. Probably took his rims off of there. I don't know why.
Or he got some more or something.
You know he got
some
good.
other.
Getting it working. All those cars. You good? Something to write on? Yeah. Well, y'all need nothing to write on. We just make it simple for you. Okay. Huh? Find your clipboard. So what? That's available for me now.
I got them all waxed up, used.
That's available now. You know, I can sit over there next to you.
You want a job?
I don't know. I don't know. It's probably a lot of work.
It can be pretty bad. Hey, how's it going? I'm gonna give you just a second, okay? All right, what you got? This is for.
Dollar and a dream.
I'm trying to think of it off the top of my head.
Yep. We just need you to paint it. We ain't. Oh, look at that.
They
Yep.
brought me a bunch of them one day. I'll use them. This one.
Yep.
I'll worry about the damage.
Nope. We're not worried about nothing. We're gonna paint it a fancy red metallic.
What kind of fancy red metallic? Do you have a color?
Nope. Just the best one for the price, for the same price.
A fancy red metallic. There's not a lot of bright red metallics. You want it bright or you want it maroonish?
Bright. We want bright. We want it to pop. Something kind of like that red, but like if it's like metallic.
See, that's the problem. There's not very many of those. I don't know of any off the top of my head except one, and it's darker. And it doesn't really show up much, but
Does it pop?
no. No, come on in.
All right.
Come on in. Let's go look at some colors.
Huh?
Let's look at some colors.
Look at some colors.
Yeah.
Let's go looking. See what we got.
I got a whole lot of metallic,
It's got enough.
but it'd be pretty nice.
It'll be pretty nice.
That work? Okay, now.
That'll work.
Now I don't know if I told you this or not, but we had to go up.
I went up on a $75. They went up a whole. That ain't too bad, I guess. You know how to get a car paint.
No. More people spend on tires, so.
It's gonna be
That's,
Got to form them for me to make it look like a 2 to a 9 or 10 or something.
yeah.
Cause I'm gonna be looking bad if you don't think about it. Cause you got what, like 3 tones on there?
Yeah.
So,
alright, and all the dents will be there, but it'll look bright and shiny.
Oh, it ain't got no dents in there. I'm just.
Oh yeah, it does. Maybe go around it and mark them.
Oh no, don't mark them. Just fix them if you don't. Just act like. Just act.
Left fender,
Just act like you didn't see him. Oh, just
Appreciate you guys.
all right. Let's get up out of here.